All right, if you're using Gamma AI, there are some hidden features that most beginners don't even know about. And yeah, these can seriously improve your workflow. First, Gamma lets you quickly rewrite any section. Just click on text and use the rewrite option to improve clarity or tone. You can generate different versions of the same content. This helps you pick the best result instead of settling for one. You can drag and rearrange sections or slides easily. Yeah, full control over your layout without redesigning everything. Gamma has built-in themes you can switch instantly. This changes your entire design with one click. You can embed videos, links, or other content directly into your slides. Yeah, great for making interactive presentations. Gamma automatically formats your content into clean sections. You don't need to worry about design too much. You can instantly switch to presentation mode and start presenting. Yeah, no need to export first. Instead of sending files, you can share a live link. Anyone can view your presentation instantly. You can turn one piece of content into slides, documents, or web pages. Yeah, this saves a lot of time. And yeah, these hidden features can help you use Gamma AI much more efficiently. Once you start using them, you'll notice a big difference.